So good. I'm nearly out of homemade granola, so help me make some. You're gonna love this recipe because you can make it pretty much any flavor you want. Let me show you how. Start with 6 cups of oats. Now I measure everything just with my cupper, even if it's a 1/2 cup or a 3/4 cup. I just eyeball it. It's fine. 1/2 cup brown sugar. Now you get to your add-ins. You can add 1/2 cup to a full cup of any of these things. Sliced almonds. If you want to chop them, go for it. I like the pre-sliced ones. A cup of chopped nuts. I like pecans. I'm putting those in. If you like walnuts, Brazil nuts, hazelnuts, I don't know. You put in what you like. I like pecans. A cup of coconut. If you don't like coconut, don't put it in. I like it. I'm adding about a 1/2 cup of black sesame seeds because I like their flavor. If you like regular sesame seeds, do those. Flax seeds are awesome, but flax meal is more easily digestible, so that's what I'm adding. 1/2 cup of chia seeds. Ish. I do have pumpkin seeds, and since I'm making this around Christmas, I want green and red themed, so about a cup of pumpkin seeds. Note to self, add that to the grocery list. Now the seasonings. Cinnamon, of course. Liberally. I like mine to be cinnamony. Also, it's great for digestion in the morning, yada yada, all the health benefits. Some cinnamon, or some ginger, again. Measure with your heart. A little bit of nutmeg. If you want to put cloves in, go for it. I don't like mine with cloves. Do you? But I do like cardamom. I fancy like that. And you need a 1/2 cup of your favorite oil. So I'm doing a little mix because I had a little bit of butter, and butter makes it really yummy, but butter is really expensive. So I'm going to add in some olive oil and grapeseed oil because yum. And you want a 1/2 cup. So mix this around a bit. Add your oil. And a 1/2 cup of honey. If you don't have honey in that kind of quantities, or if that's expensive for you, add more brown sugar. But I've got farm fresh honey. It's a little thick, so I'm going to have to microwave it. That's about right. Throw your honey over top. So what I like about this recipe is it's highly adaptable. You make it sweeter, you can make it savory, you can add in what you want. And it's pennies on the dollar and tastes way better than store-bought. Way better. All right. Vanilla. 1 to 2 teaspoons. The original apricots were 1/2. We're not messing with that. All right. Give it a stir. Once it's all mixed up, give it a taste. That'll do. Make any adjustment. A little bit of salt. That's what I forgot. Where'd my spoon go? Oh yeah, now we're talking. Now we bake this at 300 degrees for 45 minutes, stirring every 15 minutes. And now you let that cool for a while. Once it's cool, give it a good stir. It'll stick together a bit. So I'm going to break that all up. And now you need to add dried fruit if you want dried fruit. I'm adding a whole bunch of chopped dried cranberries because I like them smaller than the full size. My preferred fruit is currants, again, I like the small ones. You can add whatever you want. I've done raisins, apricots, blueberries, whatever you feel like and whatever quantities you want. Oh, it looks so good. And now my containers fill up again, and I put little ones to gift. Best granola recipe that I know of. Completely adaptable to any flavor profile that you want to do. Be creative, have fun, enjoy.